In Module 2, we're going to talk about some basics, universal basics of conscious dance spaces and what you can expect to find. However, please be sure to reach out to any local guides or facilitators of the dance space you've decided to step into to ask them what their local guidelines, facilitation practices, yada, yada, yada are all about. In this video, though, I want to talk about something that's not widely known, and that is what's happening to us energetically when we step into a dance space. And this goes for anything beyond dance spaces. It can go for your yogic communities, it can go for your religious communities, as well as the teacher-student idea. It's really whenever we step into a place of either worship or a place to learn, there's a power dynamic that we need to be aware of so that we can set up the proper safety protocols for ourselves. And it's just something to be aware of. It's not something to freak out about or go into, okay, so we got that out of the way. Energetically, what's happening is that we are beginning to open up our chakras, and our chakras are simply these spinning wheels of light and information, of energy, which is what energy is, it's light and information, to allow information to come in and to process it and to allow it to come out. So the chakras start to open. This, if we haven't learned how to set an energy bubble and be very intentional and aware of what we want to have come in and what we want to release, then it becomes an unconscious thing. And where this becomes an issue is that if that facilitator, that teacher, that yoga teacher, or the pastor or priest, whoever, is not clear or has any malintent, whether conscious or unconscious, we are going to be more vulnerable to that content, to that information being shared in our energetic system, as well as be more suggestible to what they want us to do. And so this is what creates that power dynamic, that abuse of power and spiritual abuse that we're familiar with. So the way to ensure yourself, to make sure that you're not taking on information that's not your own, that's not going to be beneficial to you, and to make sure you're not being vulnerable to suggestibility, is to set an energy bubble. We will go through that in one of the later modules on how to set an energy bubble. And if you want to look at some more research about that, you can certainly do a Google search. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to me in any of the manners. You can leave a comment section in the comment area of Udemy or whatever online course you found this through.